Why does losing weight feel so difficult, even when you try to eat less?
The problem is often not how much you eat, but what foods you choose.
Today, we will explore a simple, healthy diet plan for weight loss. Simple foods that fit everyday lifestyles in America, Canada, and the UK. Start your morning by giving your body the hydration it needs.
Water supports digestion, circulation, and helps your body function at its best.
Choose black coffee, green tea, or unsweetened herbal tea to start your day.
And sugary drinks add empty calories without keeping you satisfied. A protein-rich breakfast helps control hunger and fuels your morning. Protein, vitamins, and fiber provide steady energy and help reduce cravings. Replacing processed snacks with healthier choices supports better weight management. Healthy eating isn't about perfection. It's about making better choices every day. Fish provides healthy fats, while vegetables add essential nutrients. Dinner should be lighter, nutritious, and satisfying. A hearty vegetable and bean soup is another excellent dinner option. A lighter evening meal can help you avoid unnecessary calories. Healthy eating isn't about perfection. It's about making better choices every day. Healthy hydration is just as important as healthy food choices.
Choose water or unsweetened drinks instead of sugary beverages.
If plain water feels boring, add fresh lemon or mint for natural flavor. Many processed foods contain hidden sugars that quickly increase daily calories. Replacing fried meals with grilled options is a simple, healthier choice. Small daily improvements can lead to meaningful long-term health benefits. Simple routines are often easier to follow and easier to maintain. Fill your shopping cart with whole foods before processed snacks. Preparing healthy meals ahead of time makes better choices much easier. When healthy meals are ready, you're less likely to choose unhealthy foods. One healthy choice may seem small, but repeated choices create lasting results. Keep watching, because one final habit can make this entire plan even more effective. Healthy eating works even better when you stay physically active every day.
Even a daily walk can support your overall health and weight management.
Lunch should be balanced with protein, vegetables, and healthy carbohydrates.
Protein supports muscles, while vegetables provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals.
Whole grains provide steady energy without the sudden sugar crash. A colorful, balanced plate is one of the simplest ways to eat healthier.
By mid-afternoon, many people begin feeling hungry again. This is when smart food choices make the biggest difference. An apple with natural peanut butter makes a balanced afternoon snack.
Fiber and protein work together to help control hunger. Planning healthy snacks can help reduce unnecessary cravings. Thank you for joining us on another health journey toward better health. Subscribe for more science-based nutrition tips and simple healthy lifestyle guides. This is Health Journey, your path to a healthier life. We'll see you in the next video.